I think they're wrong for charging this price, but people will pay it. I paid it, obviously. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Nani, where I create videos about the things that I enjoy, lifestyle, luxury, and travel. It's been a minute. I haven't posted a video or even recorded a video in so long. I want to go to my YouTube and see how long it's been. 89 days and 4 hours since I posted my last long form YouTube video. Either earlier this week or last week I posted a short on a trip that we did to Miami, but I haven't sat down and recorded a video in a while. So I'll explain why that is. I think I just needed to step back and take a break for a little bit. I started really getting in my head, I'm a perfectionist, and so I started allowing this YouTube channel to stress me out, being worried about posting a video every week, because that originally had been my goal. But I work full-time, I'm in school part-time, trying to get my MBA. Don't know if I'm going to continue. That's a story for another day. I have 3 kids, a husband, and a life. So not being a full-time content creator, is my full-time job. I think I put too much pressure on myself just trying to post regularly. I just started allowing this to be something that was stressful and not fun, and just being worried about growing my channel so much that it just became too much. So I took a little break, but I'm back. I'm excited to be back, and so I'm not gonna let this stress me out. I think I have a new outlook on this whole thing, and I just wanted to share that with you guys about why I've been missing and haven't posted a video in a while, for those of you who do support me and are interested in the things that I post. So I'm back with a mini luxury haul similar to the last video that I did. Since I've last posted, I've gotten a couple of things in. I've worn all these things, so it's not an unboxing, but I did want to share with you guys some of the pros and the cons of the things that I got, in case there are things that you might be considering purchasing yourself. So let's get into it. I love me some Hermes, so I got a little goodie. It's just a little something small from Hermes. Why did I buy this? I think we were going somewhere, and I wanted this to match a couple of other things that I have. So, and I've been wanting something like this for a while, but I couldn't figure out which designer I wanted to get it from. I don't know. I just couldn't make my mind up. So I'm glad that I finally found this. This was actually hard for me to find. As I open it, I'll sort of share how I got this and the journey that it took me to get it. Oops. So obviously it came with the ribbon that was originally around the box, but like I said, I think I've worn this once so far. But I got a pair of earrings from Hermes. So they're so cute. They're just the most adorable things. I've been searching on the Hermes website for these. I had even gone in an Hermes store not too long ago to look for these, and they didn't have them in this color. Actually, let me give you the official name. They're the mini H-pop earrings in the color noir with the gold-plated hardware. I've been looking online. Every time I looked, this particular color in the noir was not available. I was checking every day, and then one day I just happened to check and they were on there, so I quickly bought them. I think I have them upside down actually. So I quickly bought them, and here they are. The reason that I wanted them in noir is because I have the bracelet to match in the noir, and then I also, about a year ago maybe, I brought the necklace that matches the earrings, except for the necklace is not the mini size, it's the bigger size. So I kind of just wanted to have that, to kind of go together. The earrings do come in a bigger size, but I like the mini better. I'm glad that I got the mini. The bigger size wasn't even available, but I think the mini is so cute on, and it just suits me better. Something if you wanted to have sort of an everyday earring that you can wear. I wear a lot of black, so that's why I chose that color. I'll try them on, or at least one of them, and show you how it looks. Why am I about to break it? I can't get the back on. Jeez. Oh, because I'm getting confused with my second hole, but so hopefully you can see. So is it upright? Okay, so here it is on. My face has been breaking out really bad the last month, so hopefully my skin doesn't look terrible. But you know, here's what it looks like on. It's, you know, I think it's so cute. I love how small it is. Like, I just think that it's so cute, and I'm very happy to have it. And they come in like a number of other colors. When I just looked on the website, I saw that they have, or maybe it was upside down. Girl, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I saw on the website like they have like a bunch of different colors if anybody is interested. And I have to give you the price. What I paid for them was $460. So I know that's a lot for something that's not like real gold, but you're paying for the name, as we all know. The next item is something from Bottega. Oh, you can see my ring light in the reflection of this. I ordered these. I got these on sale, which I'm really, really proud about. So I'll tell you where I got them and what I paid for them in a minute. So they're in the dust bags. Of course, I love designers that give you dust bags, you know, to pack your items in. But this is what I got. Oh, it's so sick. Look. Ugh, they're worn. Like I said, I wore all of this stuff. So I think I wore these once or twice maybe so far. Oh, I've worn them twice. So let me get the other one. Hopefully I can get through this stuff because I have somewhere to be and I need to leave my house in like 15 minutes. There's the other one. So they're so, like, they're so cute. I love them. Ah, they're just amazing. I got these shoes from Neiman Marcus. They're in the color Apple Candy. I paid $550 for these on sale at Neiman Marcus. The original price is $990. So I was hyped to get a couple hundred off for these shoes. It was just this color that was on sale, and that was fine with me because that's the color that I wanted. I will say these shoes are very painful. I want to do a whole another video on the designer heels in particular, like sandals that are heels that I've bought in the last couple of months, all of which are extremely painful and it seems pointless to spend your money on because you cannot wear them for long. Like, I wear these for half a day. It feels like you're walking on a bed of nails. I don't know, I'd say within like 2 hours of wearing these. I just wear these we went to a comedy show. I didn't bring a change of shoes. I was like, I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna be sitting. I'm not gonna need another pair of shoes. I don't need any flats. I could not walk from the car to the venue because my feet were on fire. My husband was sick of me. He's sick of me buying these shoes and they're painful and it's just so uncomfortable to wear. Why are you spending money on these things? They're gorgeous, but I need some advice. I'm gonna show you guys the couple of pairs of shoes that I bought in the last couple of months that are designer. I literally cannot wear them, but I refuse to return them because I want them. But I need somebody to give me tips. Like, what are you girls doing in order to walk around in these things? I thought that this would be helpful. It's not helpful. Why? Why are they uncomfortable? What can I put? What can I buy that will make these more comfortable? Somebody, please, I'm begging you, please tell me. Because I want to wear these. They're gorgeous. I love them. I want to wear them. So guys, help me out in the comments, please. If you know what to do, share with me, please. All right, we're gonna move on from that. The last thing that I'm gonna show you is something from Prada. So it's in this massive box. Hopefully you can see it. So I will say the reason I think it came in this massive box is because I ordered 2 items because I didn't know which, 2 items, like it's the same thing, but 2 of them because I didn't know which size I needed. So they sent them both in the same box. So here's the inside. Here's the one that I kept. I obviously returned the one that wasn't the right size for me, but I got this Prada nylon bucket hat in black, and I am obsessed. Like, this was the best purchase I've made like in the last couple months. I had this hat on today. Like, I wear it all the time. It's raining where I live, and I got my hair done yesterday, so I did not want to unwrap my hair to go to the grocery store this morning. I threw this hat on over top of my scarf. Still felt a little fashionable, you know. Didn't feel like I looked crazy. I'll wear it with my hair like out. It just looks so good on. I highly recommend this. I do feel like it costs too much. I don't want to put it on with like my makeup, but sort of this is sort of like what it's not even like on all the way because I don't want to put it on like over my makeup, but that's what it's giving. Now my hair looks crazy, but this is it. This is it. How much does this thing cost? I think they're wrong for charging this price, but people will pay it. I paid it, obviously. $695 for this hat. I know it's ridiculous, but I'm getting my use out of it. We were going on a boat. Instead of getting my hair braided, I wore this hat, did the trick. My hair was fine. Went on a field trip with my son. It was hot, sunny. I did sweat under the hat a little bit, but still, it served its purpose. It's been serving its purpose and what I needed to do, and so therefore I feel like it's worth the money to me. Do with that what you will. That is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you were into these types of videos, and I hope everybody's doing well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit those bell notifications.